The GL300 series GPS tracker is ideal for tracking people, vehicles or assets. It is portable, compact and small. The OBD tracker, ideal for tracking vehicles such as light trucks, SUVs, vans, vehicles, among others. Just plug into the OBD port, no wires needed, it is compact and small. This wired ST4340 GPS tracker is ideal for tracking vehicles such as scooters, vans, trucks, buses, among others. It is a hardwired device. A very easy installation, with backup battery included. The ST4950 is the ideal GPS tracker for business. You can track vehicles such as excavators, delivery vans, trucks, among others. It has a built-in solar panel, super long battery life and includes a magnetic cradle. Portable, OBD, wired or solar. Choose the best device for you or your business from our diverse variety of choices. Thank you for choosing Americaloc.